YouTube? How's everyone doing today? Hopefully you guys are fantastic. We're still working on this LBZ, but I brought up a great topic that I just wanted to show you guys, like some quick, easy things you can do and explain them a little bit. So right now I have the driver's side fuel rail out of the truck, working on it. I was putting in the PPE race valve, which you should do so you don't lose rail pressure or anything. Super good to have in here. I'll cover that right now. I already took the factory one out. It's just at the end of the fuel rail near the return. You just unthread it. It's like an 18 mil. It's not super hard. But while I was doing this, I actually had the great idea, because we're doing all performance stuff and all that good stuff, that I wanted to port the driver's side fuel rail. So what that is that you take your fuel rail fitting that comes off the CP3, and now in most scenarios, like, yeah, you could technically do both sides, but on most stock pump applications, you won't have enough fuel pressure to like obtain that. So usually, normally, just porting the driver's side is going to get you a little bit better flow to each side, and it works out pretty well. So you have the driver's side fuel rail. This is the front of it, facing the front of the truck, and you got your fitting that goes off of the CP3 into the fuel rail. And then obviously this is where it branches over to the passenger side. So anyways, you're gonna wanna loosen this and take it out. And now you can buy these, they're only like 30 bucks, not super bad, but here, I'll see if we can get it to focus. I don't know if it's gonna really focus on that, but anyways, it is a tiny, come on, focus. Focus. It's not gonna focus, but anyways, you can't even see through that right now. Like, obviously shining a light at it kind of gives it like a weird effect, but like right there, see how tiny that hole is? It's like the size of like pencil lead. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take an 1/8 inch drill bit and drill it out. Alrighty guys, so I got this all set up, pretty much everything ready to go here. Got our 1/8 inch drill bit. This is actually a 120 bit, so it's a little bit smaller technically, I guess. But anyways, you're gonna have your rail fitting here. Come on, focus. And I have the back side of it, just because it's a little bit easier. It's kind of got like a guide to it. Come on, focus. So this fits perfectly down in there. And just like that, you get all the way through. It's ported right out. We'll take a look at it. Oh, come on. Sorry, I gotta undo the vise, but as you can see here now, ported out fuel rail. So it doesn't, you know, it just opens this right up, so now you can get good flow from the CP3 into your fuel rail. You're gonna get all that stuff, you know, flowing good. We'll clean this up, get it back in the rail, get it torqued down, all that good stuff, and we'll be ready to rip. So just a little something that, you know, you can do to make these trucks a little bit better. This is what I've been doing on my twin turbo LLY that put down 630 1286 stock fuel. It's all these little things that I think really help me achieve that. So I definitely think it helps. I don't know, up for controversial discussions, I guess, but I think it helped me a lot. I have the race plug, ported fuel rail, LBZ regulator, and she's cooking. So alright, we're gonna get putting this fuel rail back together and cover the rest of it. Alright guys, so we have the fuel rail here, the PPE race valve with the O-ring. Come on, focus. The focus on this thing is not working today. Come on. Maybe. I don't know what's going on. Anywho, got the O-ring on, put some assembly lube on it. It says petroleum jelly, but we didn't have any, so we're doing the best we can. And the threads. And you're just gonna thread this bad boy in. Now, I believe, I kind of tossed everything here, but I want to say it's an 18 and we're gonna torque it. Yep, it is an 18, so we'll get it spun on here, pretty snugged up. Now, in the instructions here. We are torquing it to 72 to 74 foot-pounds, so I'm gonna do that now. Should be ready to rip. Alrighty guys, so the backside torqued it to 73 foot-pounds. I torqued the front 73 too, just to match, you know, it's still kind of sealed. And usually I used to do them by hand, but could have probably looked it up, but it is what it is. I think it's right. All is well. Anyways, it's tight. We put a little thread locker on it. Yeah, so this fuel rail is ready to go back in the truck, which we will be doing probably at a later time. But I just wanted to show you guys a few quick tricks to, you know, cheap stuff. Obviously like 30 bucks for the race plug, and you got, it's pretty much free if you have a drill set and a drill for the ported fuel rail. So super easy stuff just to get that, you know, get a little more power out of your truck, a little bit better fuel. Now obviously if you have a weak ass CP3 pump, then you know, you're kind of shit out of luck. But healthy fuel, good fuel flow, no drop off on the return, you're gonna be cooking. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope it was a good little video just to show you like easy ways to upgrade your fuel system for not a lot of money, you know. It's gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna take a break and relax now, you know. But we've been killing it. I know you guys probably seen the videos before this, so everything kinda, we got the trans. And actually real quick, I'll just cover, we got the downpipe in. So it's one little thing I'll go into more detail on it on another video, but we got the downpipe in, trans, motor. Pretty much now we're just working all on like the upper stuff. That's why I'm working on the fuel rails right now. So all that good stuff's in, we're ready to rip. So that's gonna do it for today guys on this video. There'll be more videos to come of this build, so make sure you're staying tuned, dropping a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and stay subscribed. That way we can, I said that way backwards, I'm gonna have to edit that out. Make sure you guys subscribe so you can stay tuned and watch more of this build as we progress on with it and get it running. It should be a ripper. So that's gonna do it guys. We'll catch you later. I'm out.